What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Weekly forecast here on NASDAQ. As we can see here, past 2 weeks we were just bearish dumping. I did expect this. I did predict this. You guys can see the previous 2 weeks of the weekly forecasts posted here on YouTube and on Twitter. I did expect these sell sides to be swept before we see all-time highs, right? I was not convinced when we were at these highs to come up and sweep all-time highs. We had a lot of trend line liquidity resting in sell side form, so I want to see that swept before we do eventually make all-time highs, which it has happened, but we still have two relatively equal weekly lows here with a small remainder of this weekly inefficiency to be tapped into. So now the question is do we continue lower to sweep these sell sides and then proceed to push higher? Well, if we drop down to the daily, I'm looking at this order block right here on the daily chart. If we remain within or respect this order block, we could see prices to push lower and sweep out these relatively equal lows that we can see here, right? So the thing is we need to see price respect this order block, right? Now, we could wick above and close below. If that happens, that would be very beautiful, because if we drop down to the 4-hour chart, we can see there's a lot of trendline liquidity right here, resting relatively equal highs. And then I'm sure if we drop down to the 1 minute, 1 hour and 15 minute, we can see inefficiencies that are probably laying around here. So what I'm seeing is on the daily chart, if we can respect or remain respecting this inefficiency right here, this order block right here, bearish order block, if we can respect it, maybe wick above on the daily chart to tap into this daily inefficiency, sweep out all those buy sides, and then close back below within it, then we can possibly see lower prices to sweep out these sell sides that I just talked about. But if we have a candle close above this daily order block, then prices took out enough sell side, and it will probably most likely want to see higher prices and then to ultimately sweep out these highs and then all-time highs, right? So if we're going to continue lower, we need to see how price respects this OB it's in right now, or it will tap into, if it wants to tap into it. If it wants to just completely drop like we've had the past couple weeks, if it wants to respect this daily fair value gap, tap into it, and then just drop lower, that also can happen. But what I'm saying is, as long as we respect this daily order block and close within it or below it, we will probably most likely we want to target the lower sell side liquidities marked out here, right? So that's going to be it for this weekly forecast. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post session analysis just like this, feel free to join my free Discord. Link is in the description. Also, if you're struggling with trading or you're finding difficulties, feel free to book your free discovery call. Link is in the description. I can help you out with your trading. All right. Till next time, guys, stay safe and happy trading.